Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how to make an amazing French chocolate mousse. This delicate, airy dessert simply wins you over with its texture and rich chocolate flavor. Do you know what's so special about it? It comes out insanely delicious, and it's made with just 4 simple ingredients. No magic, just a little patience and a love of sweets. What do we need? Makes 4 servings. We take 200 grams of good dark chocolate. I don't skimp here, friends. As the quality of chocolate depends on the taste of the whole dessert, 120 milliliters of hot water, 2 eggs necessarily room temperature, 60 grams of sugar. And now the most interesting part, the cooking. First we break the chocolate into pieces. I do not need to break the chocolate, do not worry about the fact that they will be uneven, the main thing is that we're about the same size. Now add the hot water and let the magic begin. Melt the chocolate while stirring constantly. The main thing here is not to rush, let the chocolate melt slowly. Stir with a whisk until the mixture is smooth and shiny. Carefully separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Immediately add the yolks to the warm chocolate mixture and mix well. Now take the egg whites, add 60 grams of sugar and beat with a mixer on high speed. This will take about 5 minutes. We need to get thick and shiny peaks that when you turn the bowl over, nothing falls out. All that's left now is to take our chocolate mixture and gently fold it into the whipped whites. Stir from the bottom up to keep the mousse airy. Pour the finished mixture into serving dishes or pretty glasses. Place the mousse in the refrigerator for at least an hour, preferably 2 to 3 hours. During this time, the mousse will thicken and become even more delicious. Before serving, you can decorate the dessert with whipped cream, grated chocolate, or fresh berries. I decorated 2 desserts with coconut shavings and 2 with cocoa. The secret to serving: take the mousse out of the refrigerator 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This allows the flavor to develop better. And there you have it, your amazing chocolate mousse. Look how airy it is inside, and it tastes just amazingly smooth chocolate, perfect for dessert with coffee or black tea. Be sure to try making it at home and delight your loved ones with this exquisite dessert. This mousse will definitely impress your guests, and no one will even guess how easy it is to make. Write in the comments how you like the result and don't forget to like this video.